ಈ ದಾರ ಸಾಕಟ್ ಸರಳ ಆಗೈತ್ರಿ. ದಾರ ಸಾಕಟ್ ಸರಳ ಆಗೈತಿ, ಚಲೋನ ಕಟ್ಟಿರ್ಲಿ ಇದ. ಅದಾವು
Good evening, students. So we will start with the class. Last class, Jyoti, you asked me about the blueprint. So today at the end, we will discuss about the blueprint. Now moving charges and magnetism we were discussing. So today one class we will discuss that. Next class we will go for the next topic. So the PPT. One minute. I have one more PPT. I'll share that. I hope the PPT is visible to you. So last class we discussed some questions from this. So some are remaining from here. So we will continue. Okay, see this question. I think last class we did not see this. We have not discussed this. You can start with this question. A galvanometer resistance 50 ohm is connected a battery of 50 volt along resistance of 2950 ohm series. The additional series resistance required to reduce the deflection to 20 division is. So let us calculate this. So here we need to use the Ampere's circuit law. Okay. As we know that a galvanometer of resistance 50 ohm is connected to the full scale deflection, not Ampere's law. Here what we are going to do, the galvanometer is showing 50 ohm is connected 3 volt. It is showing the full scale deflection. So deflection reduce ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. Not visible. Okay, one second. I'll stop sharing and I'll share it once again. I think now it is visible. Yes. Okay. See the question. First copy down, then we will solve it. Yes, what we are going to do here. That is, if you consider I is the current for the full scale deflection. So if I is the current for the full scale deflection, then here this is 30 into I, which is equal to voltage yesterday, it is 3 divided by resistance yesterday, that is galvanometer resistance is 50 ohm and you are connecting to the resistance of 2950 ohm. Therefore, here if it is 3 divided by 50 plus 2950, this is nothing but 50 divided by 3000, correct? So this is what 30 into I. Therefore, I is equal to. So therefore, I is equal to what you can do? You can take 30 in this side, it will be in the denominator. So ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 3 divided by 30 into 3000 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So 3 ones are 3 tens are, that is nothing but 1 divided by 3 ನಾನು ಇದನ್ನ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಬರೀತೀನಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ into 10 to the power of minus 4. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3000 into 10 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 30,000 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ 30,000 ಇದನ್ನ ನಾನು 1/3 into 3 into 10 raised to 4 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸೊ 10 raised to 4 ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ತಗೊಂತೀನಿ 10 raised to minus 4 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Therefore this is your I value. So now what you need to do, you are connecting some additional resistance so that the deflection is becoming 20. The deflection is becoming 20. Now this is 20 into I is equal to 3 divided by 50 plus 2950. Next additional resistances are which is equal to. So this is 20 into. So ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ I value ಇದೆ substitute ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Therefore it is 20 into I value is how much 1/3 into 10 to the power of minus 4. This is equal to 3 divided by 5 plus 2950 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3000 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So directly 3000 ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ plus R. So simplify for R, you will get the resistance ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಎಷ್ಟು additional resistance ಕೊಟ್ರೆ deflection 30 ಇದ್ದದ್ದು 20 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. It is 1500 or 4440. Yes students, so solution is there in front of you. Just ನೀವು simplify ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Cross multiply ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು simplify ಮಾಡಿ easy ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, no problem. Four four five zero. Yes, other students, what you are getting answer? Others getting yes or no? Four four five zero is the correct answer. Other students are getting. If you are getting the answer, I can go for the next question. So answer ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ at least. Yes, okay. So here you will get R is equal to 4500 ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ, ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ದ ಗ್ಯಾಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ 50 ಓಮ್. ಸೊ 50 ಓಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ 4440 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದಾರಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ 4450 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನಿಯರ್ ಬೈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್, ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್, ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. The correct Biot-Savart law in the vector form is, so everyone can give answer for this, the vector form of the Biot-Savart law. So A, B, C, D, you only tell me which is the correct answer. Yes, Jyoti, correct, very good. Yes, students. So mu naught upon 4 pi ಅಂತೂ ಎಲ್ಲದರಲ್ಲೂ ಇದೆ. ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, mu naught upon 4 pi I dl sin theta by r square ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಬರ್ದಾಗ ಸೊ ಸೈನ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ದು ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಸಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಡಿ ಅಂತೂ ಬರೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಎ ಬಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ದಟ್ ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಸಿ. So when you take the vector form of r, then the denominator should be r cube. It should not be r square. R cube, that is B is the correct answer. Okay, the next question. An electron is moving in a circle of radius r in a uniform magnetic field B. Suddenly, the field is reduced to B by 2. The radius of the circular path now becomes. So, what all they are saying? As you know that the electron is moving in a circular path, uniform field ಇದೆ ಅಂತಂದಾಗ so ಒಂದು centripetal force act ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. This centripetal force is balanced by the magnetic force. So charge ಇದ್ದಾಗ magnetic force QVB ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So Q ಬದಲಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, I'll take it as EVB ಆಯ್ತಾ. So my equation will be, I am going to equate mv square by r divided by EVB. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, or r is equal to ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ equation, it will be mv divided by EB. It will be mv divided by EB ಆಯ್ತಾ. So when the field reduces to B by 2, so field ಯಾವಾಗ B by 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಆವಾಗ the radius of the circular path, very simple. So you just substitute B is equal to B by 2. So B is equal to B by 2 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ, if we simplify this, it will be 2 into bracket mv divided by EB. So mv divided by EB is nothing but what? It is 2 into r. Therefore option B is the correct answer. Yes, correct. Option B. Understood everyone? Okay, the next question is, a charge Q is accelerated through a potential difference V. It is then passed normally through a uniform magnetic field where it moves in a circle of radius. The potential difference required to move it in a circuit of radius R2R is. So, a charge Q is accelerated through a potential difference V. It is then passed normally through a uniform magnetic field. Okay. So ಆ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ the potential difference required ಯಾವಾಗ radius 2r ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, what will be the potential required that we need to calculate. Okay, so see the formula what we are going to use. So if V is the velocity, capital V is the potential difference, we can equate mv square is equal to Q into V. We require first simplify this equation for V is equal to. So ನಿಮಗೆ ಇದು ಯಾವ ತರ ಬಂತಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ರಿಮೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಲೆಸನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ವಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾನ. ವರ್ಕ್ ಡನ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಕಲ್ತಿದೀವಿ, ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇನ್ ಕೈನೆಟಿಕ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ, ಫೈನಲ್ ಕೈನೆಟಿಕ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ minus initial kinetic energy. So here suppose initially the electron is or the charge is at rest, it is W is equal to kf ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So kf value is what, half mv square, and here the work done can also be written as Q into V. So why it is Q into V? Because potential is equal to work done per unit charge ಆಯ್ತಾ. So ಅದರಿಂದ ನಾವು ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾನ ತಗೊಂತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. Therefore simplify the equation for V is equal to, you write it for V is equal to, it will be 2 Q into V divided by M, and this will be under root equation 1. And when it passes through the uniform electric field B, the equation is by using the centripetal force, mv square is equal to q vb. Therefore, R is equal to, so R is equal to ಏನಾಗತ್ತೆ m, R in numerator ಗೆ okay, mv divided by qb, which is equal to m into m by qb into bracket equation 1 in the v value ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ, it is 2qv divided by m. Therefore, here it is if you simplify this one, so square root ಇದೆ, so square root ಅನ್ನ ನೀವು simplify ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, squaring on both the side ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, so that little it will be easy. R square m square by q square b square in root or in the bracket qvb divided by m. So m will get cancel, q will get cancel, ಕಡೆಗೆ ಏನು ಉಳಿತು ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ m 2mv divided by q into b square. This is r square is equal to, so ಅವ್ರು ಕೇಳಿರೋದು potential ಅಂತ. Therefore, the potential if you take, it is v is equal to b square q r square divided by, it is 2m. So this is equation 2. But radius ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ 2 ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, 2r ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Therefore, this will become b square q into, if r is equal to 2r whole square, this whole divided by 2m. Therefore, this is equal to b square into q 4r square divided by 2m. So 2 ones are 2 twos are, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದು 2 into b square q r square divided by m. So ಅವ್ರು in terms of v ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದಾರಲ್ಲ, okay, v ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. Therefore ನಾವ್ ಈಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬೇಡ, 4 ಮತ್ತೆ 2 ಅನ್ನ. So 4 I'll keep as it is. So 4 if I keep as it is, so it cancel ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, 4 ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಇದೆ. So 4 ಹಾಗೆ ಇಟ್ರೆ ಉಳಿಯೋದೇನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ b square q square r square divided by, it is 2m divided by, it is 2m. So this b square q r square divided by 2m, this is nothing but your v. So it is 4 into v. Option B is the correct answer. Option B is the correct answer. Yes. Then the next question. A cyclotron oscillator frequency is 10 megahertz and the then operating magnetic field is 0.66 Tesla. If the radius of the D is 60 centimeter, then the kinetic energy of the proton beam produced by the accelerator is. Yes, they are asking the kinetic energy. So ನಿಮಗೆ ನೆನಪಿದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ ಲೆಸನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಸಿನಾಪ್ಸಿಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. The kinetic energy of the D's ಅಂದ್ರೆ cyclotron experiment ಅಲ್ಲಿ the kinetic energy is given by, it is b square q square into r square divided by, it is 2 into m, which is equal to, so b is given 0.66 Tesla, q is given charge, ಯಾವ್ದಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದಾರೆ, ಇಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಪ್ರೋಟಾನ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ 1.6 into 10⁻19. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ is r value 60 centimeter. So 60 centimeter ಅನ್ನ ಮೀಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Then after that 2 into m. M is mass of the proton. It is 1.67 into 10 raised to minus 27. So calculate the kinetic energy. Hope so you will do it. So substitute all the values, simplify. Answer mega electron volt al baratte andre 10 raised to 6 plus 6, 10 raised to plus 6 ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಮೆಗಾ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ವೋಲ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮೆಗಾ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ವೋಲ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ, ಬಟ್ ನೀವು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋದು ಜೂಲ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಿಮ್ ಜೂಲ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ದೆನ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೆಲ್ ಯು ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಕನ್ವರ್ಷನ್. But first you simplify and tell me in terms of joules what is the answer. B is 0.66 whole square. Q is 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 whole square. R is 0.6 whole square divided by 2 into M is 1.67 into 10 raised to minus 27. Tesla, no, wrong it is. What we require? Kinetic energy we require. Kinetic energy. Answer will be in terms of joule. So check ಮಾಡಿ. If you are getting 1.2 into 10 raised to minus 12 joules, it is correct. So I'll repeat 1.2 into 10 raised to minus 12 joules ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹಾಕಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಯಾರ್ದಾದ್ರೂ ಬಂತ? ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ 1.2 into 10 raised to minus 12 joules. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಮೆಗಾ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನಲ್ ವೋಲ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಸೊ ಬಂದಿರೋ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನಿದೆ 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 12 joules ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. ಇದಕ್ಕೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 13 ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿ. ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇನ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಮೆಗಾ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ವೋಲ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಯು ಮೇ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಮೀ ವೈ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 13 ಅಂತ. Because here 1 electron volt is equal to 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19. Next ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೆಗಾ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ವೋಲ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 plus 6. ಮೆಗಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 10 raised to plus 6 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So if you cancel here minus 19 plus 6, it is 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 30. So if you do that, the kinetic energy will be almost 7.5 ತರ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಬರ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಅಪ್ರಾಕ್ಸಿಮೇಟ್ಲಿ 7 ಮೆಗಾ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ವೋಲ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಗಿವ್ ಮಿ ಕನ್ಫರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಗೆ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಡ್ ಆಗೋಣ. ಎಸ್, ಅನ್ವಿತಾ, ಜ್ಯೋತಿ, ನಾಗಿನಿ, ನೇತ್ರಾವತಿ, ಪ್ರಿಯಾಂಕಾ, ಕೋಮಲ್. Yes, Chansi. Yes, other students. So confirmation kodi, then we will go show you the next question. Okay, the next question is, a toroid has 500 turns per meter length. If it carries a current of 2 ampere, the magnetic energy density inside the toroid is. So the toroid density, the energy density, we have the direct formula for this. The energy density in case of the toroid, it is given by E is equal to 1 upon 2 mu naught into B square. So which is equal to 1 divided by 2 into mu naught. So B square value. So B for the toroid, the magnetic field is given by mu naught n into I whole square anta barutte. Correct? So mu naught cancel agatte. Therefore we have 1 by 2 into mu naught into n square into I square. So which is equal to 1 by 2 mu naught value. So mu naught value estiದೆ students. It is 4 pi into 10 raised to minus 7. ಹೌದಾ? ಕಡೆಗೆ number of turns 500 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So 500 into 500 into the current is 2 into 2, 4. Yes. So simplify, you will get the energy density. Yes, what is the answer? B option. Yes. Very good, very good. Yes, other students? We will go for the next question. Option B you should get, aita. To see the next question. Yes, the question is visible. PPT is visible. See, in a cyclotron charged particle, option A, speed up in D, undergoes acceleration all the time, slows down within a D and speeds up between the Ds, speeds up between the Ds because of the magnetic field. Yes, direct answer. Here in a cyclotron, the charged particles are repeatedly accelerated through the D's, correct? So that is option B. That is undergoes acceleration all the time. So alle magnetic field, electric field use ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. That magnetic field, electric field is helping for the ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ, that is for the charged particle to accelerate at each and every moment. Okay, the next question. The number of turns in a coil of galvanometer is tripled then. So number of turns in the galvanometer is tripled then. Both voltage and current sensitivity remains constant. Voltage sensitivity increases 3 times and current sensitivity remains constant. Both voltage and current sensitivity decreases by 33%. Voltage sensitivity remains constant and current sensitivity increases 3 times. Yes. So for the coil, moving coil galvanometer here, the number of turns in a moving coil galvanometer tripled. So moving coil galvanometer expression in birthday pi by I is equal to NBA divided by K. NBA divided by K. Here larger the turns, number of turns, more will be the deflection. So number of turns ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದ್ರೆ number of deflections ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Therefore the current sensitivity will be increased. Here but here what happens here, the term is not consisting of the voltage, therefore what we can say, the voltage sensitivity remains constant. The voltage sensitivity remains constant as the number of turns is tripled andre n is equal to tripled adaga what happens to the current here, the current value will also sensitivity increases by 3 times. Option D. So voltage sensitivity remains constant, adre current sensitivity increases by 3 times. Then the next question. So very simple direct formula. A circular loop of magnetic moment M is in an arbitrary orientation in an external uniform magnetic field B. The work done to rotate the loop by 30 degrees about an axis perpendicular to its plane is. Yes. A circular loop of magnetic field. So magnetic moment. ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಆಂಗಲ್ 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. It is MB cos theta. So theta is 90 degree, cos 90 is how much? Yes. It is option C, ಆಯ್ತಾ? So it is option C, 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Yes. Okay. Next. Another 2 questions we will see. A cyclotron is used to accelerate proton, deuteron and alpha particle while exciting under similar conditions. The minimum kinetic energy is gained by. So the minimum kinetic energy is gained by. Deuteron same for all, alpha particle, proton. So ನಿಮ್ಮ kinetic energy expression already ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ for the cyclotron. ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, the kinetic energy is equal to, it is B square Q square alpha 0 square divided by, it is 2 into M. Correct. Therefore here this K max is equal to, it is directly proportional to what? Q square by M. It is directly proportional to Q square by M. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಾಸ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರಬೇಕು, Q ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರಬೇಕು. the kinetic energy will be maximum. But minimum ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. Minimum ಅಂದಾಗ Q value ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರಬೇಕು, mass ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರಬೇಕು. Yes, yes, which is the answer? Minimum, for minimum. Yes, students. So it is minimum for deuteron, ಆಯ್ತಾ? So minimum for ಎದಕ್ಕಿರುತ್ತೆ? Deuteronic ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So option A is the correct answer. Then the last one question. Yes. A strong magnetic field is applied on a stationary electron. Then the electron, option A, moves in the direction of the field, moves in an opposite direction of the field, remains stationary, starts spinning. The strong magnetic field is applied on a stationary electron. So we have for the electron, it is force is equal to F is equal to QVB. ಹೌದಾ? So F is equal to ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? It will be QVB sin theta. QVB sin theta ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ? ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? V is equal to 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So V is equal to 0 ಆದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? The magnetic force will be also 0. F will be 0. So therefore we can say that it remains stationary. Option C is the correct answer. Yes, option C is the correct answer. Yes. Okay. So next class we will see some more questions on this, or we will go for the next topic, students. Next week in the next topic ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಥವಾ Friday ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ? Yes, tell your suggestions. Means ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ we can go for next, ಅಥವಾ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು as you say. Okay, because you people were missing for some 2 classes also, so better. Okay, others, so out of 6, 2 replies I got. Yes, students. Three more students. Okay, what we will do? Few more we will see, and next also we can start from the Friday. Okay, so Jyoti, next class only we will discuss about the blueprint. Actually, from past 2 classes, I was waiting for you for that blueprint discussion. I think one class ಯಾರಿಗೂ connect ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಆ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಏನೋ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. It's okay. So Friday we will see the blueprint, few more questions on this, and the next topic. All 3 points we will do. Okay, students. Thank you.